Oh, hello there. Sorry, I was so focused on this box that I didn't see you come in then. Do not open. I think there might be something alive inside. Oh, seems quite dangerous as well. Anyway, you lot are here now, and I've not introduced myself, so this can wait till later. So just pop it down over there, and I'll use this to secure it. Perfect. Anyway, my name is Roger Bodger, and this is the Build It basement. I was sent down here to the museum's basement to search through the archive of long-lost designs and inventions. Oh, I tell you, we have made some cracking contraptions down here. That's right, we. Marvin, where are you? Marvin is my assistant. Come on out, we've got guests. Marvin, what's so funny?
What's that? Oh, hi, Roger. Hello there, everyone. I was laughing at my new joke book. Here, I'll show you. It's called Marvin's Big Bad Book of Jokes. Typically retails for $49.95, available soon in all good retailers.
Oh no, Marvin's jokes are always absolutely pants. Well, Marvin, there's no time for joking around today, you see, because this lot have come here to learn about the ancient Egyptians. So I think we better just...
Oh, the Egyptians? I've got loads of jokes about them. Hey, Roger, why do ancient Egyptian mummies make really good spies?
I don't know, Marvin.
Because they're really good at keeping things under wraps.
Wonderful, Marvin. Anyway, I've had a look through the archive, and during my search, I spied...
See what you did there?
this blueprint for a corker of a creation that's fit for a king.
Ooh.
Or should I say, a pharaoh. Now, it's a little bit tricky, but I'm confident that you lot can handle it. So, without further ado, let's get building! Today, we're going to make an ancient Egyptian cartouche like this one. Now, a cartouche is an amulet that was meant to protect the wearer from evil spirits and bring them good luck. But it's also a hieroglyphic symbol that has lots of other hieroglyphics inside it. And these spell out the name of a pharaoh. You see, originally, the only people that could wear a cartouche or have their name inside one were the pharaohs. But for today, we're going to put our names inside so that our cartouches become our personal good luck charms. Who knows? They might even protect us from some of Marvin's dodgy jokes. For this activity, you will need a worksheet, a bowl of air drying clay approximately 7 centimetres wide, a pencil. You could use a clay tool if you've got one, but a pencil will work just fine. Piece of string, a hieroglyphics reference sheet, a pair of scissors, and a jar with some warm water in it. For step 1, we're going to take a small chunk of clay off our large bowl by using a pinching and twisting action. Turn this chunk of clay into a small ball and place it onto the template. So now we've got one big ball of clay and one tiny baby ball of clay.
Roger?
Yes, Marvin?
Speaking of babies, what did baby Tutankhamun say when he woke up after having a nightmare?
Go on.
He said, "Where? I want my mummy!"
Oh, very funny, Marvin. But have you done the first step yet?
Oh, sorry, Roger. I wasn't paying attention. Could you show me again, please?
There we are. Easy peasy. Sorted, Marvin.
Oh, yeah. Cheers, Roger.
For step 2, we're going to form our oval shape. First up, use your scissors to cut out the oval template. Now, take your big ball of clay and push it down with your hands so it becomes nice and flat. You could try rolling it out with your pencil as if that's a rolling pin, or just keep smushing it down with your fingers. You don't want it to be too thick, about 1 centimetre thick is fine. Once you've got your slab big enough for you to put your template on top, use your pencil to draw around the template, cutting away any excess clay. You should end up with a nice clay oval shape. Finally, use your pencil to poke a hole at the top in the centre of your oval. Make sure it's not too close to the edge though. Right, Marvin, are you following along? Have you built that bit okay?
Oh yeah, think so, Roger. Hey, Roger, did you hear what the Pharaoh said to the pyramid builder who wasn't very good at his job?
I don't know.
The Pharaoh said, "Can you actually build a pyramid or not?" And the builder replied, well, yeah, to a point.
Ha ha ha. Marvin?
Yeah.
Why does your shape look like a pyramid? You were meant to be making an oval.
Whoops.
Don't worry, I'll show you again.
All right.
There you are, Marvin. Now, let's move on to step 3.
Okie dokie.
Use your scissors to cut out the rectangle template. Once you've done that, flatten the small ball of clay with your hand or by using the rolling pin technique with your pencil until the clay is about 1 centimetre thick and you can fit your rectangle template onto the top of the clay. Then, use your pencil to draw around the template and cut away the excess clay. Now take the oval and the rectangle and combine them together using a bit of water on your finger. Rub the water onto the rectangle shape, then stick the oval on top. Make sure the end of the oval with the hole in it is at the top. Marvin, I hope you're not messing around too much over there. Oh, where have you gone?
Roger, why don't mummies do very well at craft activities? Because they're always too wrapped up in other things.
Hilarious, Marvin. And you're right. It appears mummies aren't very good at craft activities. You've not put any of your shapes together correctly at all. In fact, you're being a bit of a silly Billy today, if you don't mind me saying, Marvin. So how's about you go and take those bandages off and I'll sort your cartouche out for you.
Deal. Oh, dear.
There we go. You're all up to speed, Marvin.
Oh, thanks, Roger.
Okay, moving on to step 4. It's time to practice drawing out our names in hieroglyphics. So, the hieroglyphics for Roger are R, O, D, G, E, and R. As you can see, I've kept my drawings nice and simple, mostly just doing the outlines of the shapes. Now, this sheet will really help me when it comes to drawing the pictures out on the clay, because it gives me something to always check back to, so I can make sure I'm doing the right pictures in the right place. Oh, it sounds like you're having some trouble, Marvin. What's going on?
Well, I think I'm doing okay at drawing the pictures, but I'm really struggling to squeeze them all into the oval template.
Ah, I see. Well, your drawings are looking great, Marvin, but you're right, some of them are a little bit too big. But don't worry, I'll show you a top tip which guarantees you can fit all the letters of your name into the oval.
Oh, cheers, Roger.
There are 6 letters in Marvin's name, so let's divide our oval into 6 pieces, all about the same size. There we are. Now there's an equal amount of space for each of your drawings, Marvin.
Oh, that's really smart. I can take it from here, Roger.
For our final step, let's add our hieroglyphs to the clay. Make sure that you've got a very sharp pencil and then gently and slowly scratch in all of the hieroglyphs used in your name. Make sure to remove any excess clay stuck to the end of your pencil after each scratch. This will ensure your drawings come out crisp and clean. And with that, your cartouche is...
Ah, Roger! Oh, it's all going wrong! I tried doing my hieroglyphics, but I made a mistake. Does that mean I need to start again?
Oh, that's all right, Marvin. Here, I'll show you how you can easily solve any mistakes. Don't worry, you won't need to start again.
Oh, phew! That's a relief.
So any mistakes you make are nice and easy to solve. All we have to do is dip our fingertip into our pot of water. Just a little bit of water is needed. Now rub your wet fingertip all over the lines that you're not happy with. Nice and gentle, you don't need to push down too hard, and before you know it, the lines will have disappeared. And then you can have another go at scratching in your hieroglyphics. There you are, Marvin. I'll pass that back to you so you can have another go at finishing off your drawings.
Oh, Brill, thanks for your help.
Your cartouche will take at least a day to dry out completely. When it's fully dried, it will be much harder and turn a light grey colour. As a finishing touch, tie a piece of string through the hole in the top and tie a knot in the end of the string so you can wear your cartouche as an amulet or hang it up somewhere so that everyone can see it. And there we have it. Our cartouche is now complete.
All right, Roger. What happens when you open a box that says, "Do not open"?
I don't know, Marvin. What happens if you open a box that says "Do not open" on it?
I don't know.
I mean, I don't really get it, but wait a minute. Box. Do not open. Oh, Marvin, you didn't. Marvin, there was a potentially extremely dangerous animal in that box, and now it's on the loose. The lights have gone out. Marvin, are you okay? Talk to me, buddy.
I'm okay, Roger. I'm a bit scared, though.
Oh, me too, mate. Hold on to your cartouche. I thought these things were meant to bring us luck. Anyway, I think that's all we've got time for this week. But thanks for stopping by the Build It basement, and we'll see you again soon. Hopefully. Till then, stay curious and remember, keep on building, boffins. What was that?
It's coming from over there!